This is too heavy. This is too light. This one not even resembles a rapier. But this one. I'll make him pay and end him with this envenomed tip. If not, the king surely will with the poisoned drink. This one likes me well.
Come, begin.
Come on then, sir. A hit!
A palpable hit indeed. This pearl is thine.
Allow me to play this bout first, set it by a while. Come! Another hit. What say you? Do confess it.
The queen caresses to thy fortune, Hamlet.
Gertrude, do not drink.
I will, my lord.
It is the poisoned cup. It is too late.
You serpent. How does the queen fare?
She swoons to see them bleed.
The drink, the drink. I am poisoned.
Hamlet, Hamlet, thou art slain. The treacherous instrument is in thy hand, invaded and envenomed. The king is to blame. Venom, do thy work. Guess I'll die, Horatio. Wretched queen, adieu. Draw thy breath in pain to tell my story. The rest is silence.